Boys, this review is for royalty. No, the reason why this review is for royalty is because today, what are we reviewing? You guys probably don't know, do you?
No.
No.
A royal ice
Yes,
cream.
yes, there we go. It is the Royal Fluffernutter something from Dairy Queen. I know it has Fluffernutter and peanut butter in there.
But I don't have that.
There we go, yes, thank you. We have the Royal Reese's Fluffernutter here from Dairy Queen to review on this very hot summer day. And joining me, we have Benjamin and Alexander, and a big thank you to Rob for filming. Lots of peanut butter.